Welcome to Daikin's video library series. This video will demonstrate how to wire a condensate pump's power supply and safety switch on a Daikin 4-wire system, VRV, and ductless wall mount indoor units. In this lesson, we are using an Aspen Maxi Orange condensate pump. Depending on brand and model of condensate pump, the color of the wires may change, so always refer to the schematic supplied with the pump. On this model, the gray and purple wires are wired to the normally closed safety switch. The black and red wires are power for the condensate pump. First, disconnect the wire from the number 1 terminal located on the indoor unit's terminal board. Use a wire nut to connect this wire to either the red or black power wire for the pump and the gray common wire of the safety switch. Next, take the purple wire from the normally closed safety switch of the pump to terminal 1 on the indoor unit and secure as shown. Finally, attach the other red or black power wire from the pump and secure it to terminal number 2 along with the already connected power supply wire. This will complete the installation.